Hi guys, T-Bone Pearson here, standing with a bra. Why, you ask? Well, I can't buy any cloth masks anywhere, so here's a quick way to do it using a bra. So what I've done is I've extended this strap here so it will go all the way from here to my other ear. Grab yourself a safety pin and we're going to stick it through here like so. So I'm going to put the strap through here and let's hook it. Now be very careful, you can poke yourself in the eye, that's on you. I have warned you. Use duct tape. I'm using a safety pin for now. We're gonna try this on in 2 seconds. Let's see this, there we go. So the strap goes over your head, around your ears, and like this. Now what I intend to do is I'm gonna cut this off here. I'm gonna crazy glue this strap over here onto that. I'm now then gonna put the steel from this piece of the bra in through here to shape to my nose so it will stay. There's no, air can go in and out. You could sneeze, it could shoot out into your eyes. So I'm gonna put the steel there to protect. I'm also gonna take this other strap and I'm going to attach it here and across the back. Wish me luck, let's go to the hot glue gun. Okay, grab your scissors, grab your bra, and grab your hot glue gun. We're gonna have some fun here. Okay, so put the safety pin into the middle of the bra. Like so. I'm just going to test the strap here. You have to tie the strap to the pin, but let's just cut off the extra cup here. Split it down the middle. There we go. Get rid of that piece, and let's start hot gluing, guys. We're going to put this pin on here for good. And this is going to allow us to cut the strap and then tie it to the safety pin. There we go. Put some hot glue in there and push in. May hurt a bit if the glue's hot, so let it cool off just a bit. I'm going to reinforce it here with the hot glue, and it's on good. Check that out. Okay, now my plan was to use this wire from the other cup and bend it to the nose, but they made the steel so it doesn't bend and holds its shape, so this plan does not work. It's too rigid. Okay, so here is a dollar store special. A little bit of bendable wire. You can get this for like $2 or $1 at the dollar store. I just had some sitting around. Break off a little piece. Cut off this excess material. Like so. Crack out the hot glue. Make a little strip there. And we're going to put that little piece of bendable steel, aluminum, tin, whatever they use to make that, and put it on the bridge of where your nose is going to go, and glue it on there good. Now I'm just going to get a little piece of material and cover up the wire. So I'm going to hot glue over the wire. This is almost just more for aesthetics, make it look pretty, although it's going to look ugly when it's done. This is just a functional mask. It is not N95, it's just a cloth mask, guys. So there's that. Okay, so I'm clearing off some of this material using the scissors. All right, and I'm going to take the strap off the other cup because I need that for the strap at the back of the neck. Throw some hot glue on there and put the other strap, attach it on there. This is pretty hot. This hurts actually. Let's see if ow! Okay, so it's attached there, but I'm going to reinforce it because we need this to be on there strong. So I'm going behind the strap and putting extra little bit of hot glue, and we are good. It's on there good. And we now are going to take another safety pin so we can attach the strap, the second strap on there. I'm just going to cut off a little piece of material here, and I'm going to cover up the safety pin so it doesn't look so horrible. This is just an aesthetic thing. You don't have to do this, but I didn't want a safety pin visible from the front, so I'm going to put some hot glue on there, and I covered it up. And now I'm pulling the strap through the safety pin, and I'm going to tie it on here good so it doesn't fall off. And there we go, nice and tight. Pull on it. It's good. It's strong. All right, now we are just going to cover up the sort of the end of the safety pin using a little piece of material. I cut off the other piece, and now there's no safety pins showing.
It's an ugly looking mask, but it should be somewhat effective. And you also have this like little thing here so you can adjust the mask to your head so it fits properly. Just pull on this and let's try this bad boy on. Okay, there we go. Nice and snug. You got the 2 straps, one over the ear, one behind the neck, and also you've got the steel at the top. So your nose, you're not gonna sneeze into your eyeballs. So it's good. You can adjust that.
Okay, guys, so this is the best job I could do with this, and it works pretty good. So if you need a cloth mask, think of this. I think for any revisions, I would. Now I don't want to break this thing, but it's pretty solid. He says as it probably. Okay, good. So it's pretty solid. Here is what it looks like. It's not pretty, but yeah, it does the trick. Would I dare wear this outside? I don't know. I may just try it. But this actually could stop you from sneezing and spreading the illness out. And anyways, guys, what do you think? Comment below. What do you think of my my mask made out of an old bra? Anyways, guys, comment below. Please subscribe. Hit that bell, ding. And I look forward to reading your comments. Cheers. Bye.